In this video, I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter snack balls that are super simple, no bake, and really easy to make with kids. These are all the ingredients you're going to need, and I'll talk about each of them as we go along. If you're concerned about a peanut allergy, you can use sunflower seed butter instead for a nut-free option. If you wanted to add a little bit more protein to your peanut butter balls, you can use protein powder in place of the oats. And I like this brand in particular because it does have a good taste. It's also vegan, gluten-free, and it does have some B vitamins added. In a large bowl, you're going to mix together your wet ingredients. A cup of peanut butter, and if you're using the natural peanut butter, just make sure you stir it before you use it because the oil is going to separate. A quarter cup of maple syrup, and you can adjust this based on your sweetness preference, and then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, add your dry ingredients to your wet. So a cup of gluten-free quick cook oats, or you can use your protein powder, half a cup of ground flax seeds, and a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Here's where you can add in your optional dairy-free chocolate chips. I like to use the mini version, and I'll use about a quarter of a cup. Here are some other ideas for optional ingredients if you want to experiment: chopped nuts, unsweetened coconut, and some raisins. Using your hands, form the mixture into little balls. If you find your mixture is too dry at this point, add a little bit more peanut butter. If you think that your mixture is too sticky and wet and your peanut butter balls aren't forming shape, then you can add a little bit more of the oats or flaxseed. You can refrigerate them for an hour to firm up for a little bit, or eat them as is, and they can be kept in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found it to be helpful, give it a like. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And let me know how they turned out if you make them.